Hi there, today we are going to study arithmetic progressions. AP as it is called in simple language. Arithmetic progressions basically mean any sequence which has exactly the same common difference throughout. In terms of the succeeding term minus any random preceding term. 3 minus 1 is also true, 5 minus 3 is also true, 7 minus 5 is also true, 9 minus 7 is also true, assuming the sequence goes up to infinity throughout till whatever extent this AP or the sequence goes, its common difference will be 2 throughout. Every succeeding and preceding number difference should be exactly the same. 1, 2, 5, 8, 11. If this sequence goes on till through a common difference of 3 till eternity, even then it is not an AP because the common difference of the first two terms, 2 minus 1 is 1. Even if there is one common difference which is not equal to the rest of the common differences, still it is not an AP. An arithmetic progression is that sequence in which the common difference denoted by D is always equal to is always the same or constant throughout. So if 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is your AP, then common difference can be expressed as either A2 minus A1 or the second minus first term, A3 minus A2 or the third minus the second term, or A4 minus A3 which is fourth minus the third term, A5 minus A4 which is the fifth minus the fourth term. Put in whatever you want, 3 minus 1 or 5 minus 3 or 7 minus 5 or 9 minus 7. The common difference will be 2 throughout. The common difference will be 2 throughout. So, an arithmetic progression is any sequence which has the same common difference. Any sequence which has the same common difference. For that matter, even something like a 0, 0, 0, 0 will also be an arithmetic progression because the common difference is 0 throughout. So, as long as it has the same common difference, any sequence is an AP. And what do we specifically mean by a common difference? Any succeeding term minus any preceding term. Any succeeding term minus any preceding term. So, second term, if you're talking about the second term, second minus the first. If you're talking about the third term, third minus the second, so on and so forth. Generally speaking, any AP is expressed as a to the base n is equal to a plus n minus 1 of d. What is a to the base n? A to the base n. So I've given you this. Give me the croreth term or the 1 croreth term of this AP. Potentially it can go to infinity. I don't know what is infinity. So any specific term of the AP can be found out by using a to the base n. A is always the first term of the arithmetic progression. N is the number of terms. D is the common difference. A is the first term, D is the common difference, N is the number of terms. So, a to the base n is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, where a is the first term, n is the number of terms, d is the common difference. Let's take a small example on this expression. A to the base n is equal to a plus n minus 1d. We have an AP 4, 7, 10, ... The question itself says it's an AP or an arithmetic progression. What you need to find is the 100th term of the AP. Using this expression, a to the base n is equal to a plus n minus 1d. A is the first term. What is my first term? My first term is A is equal to 4. My common difference, I don't need to take every common difference, it's already given, it's an AP. Simply any random succeeding minus preceding term, 7 minus 4 gives me a common difference of 3. I need to find the 100th term, so my n is 100. My n is 100. Simply putting all of these three in the expression, I get a to the base 100 is equal to a, which is 4, plus n, which is 100, minus 1 into 3. So I have 4 plus 99 into 3. 4 plus 297, 100 is equal to 301. So 301 is the 100th term of this AP. Given that the first term is 4, the common difference is 3, and the term whose AP I need to find is the 100th term. N is 100. In summary of this short video, what is an AP? What is an arithmetic progression? It is any sequence of numbers, any layman sequence of numbers, where strictly the common difference is the same throughout. That is, every and any succeeding minus preceding term will be constant, will be the same throughout. Any AP can be computed by the expression a to the base n is equal to a plus n minus 1d, where a to the base n could be any general term. A is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. Thank you.